I do want to promote these AirPods, right? Up here on the top, you're going to see Amazon Associates site stripe. This is where you're going to be getting your link. All right, guys, what's up? David O with you guys here again. Thanks for joining me on this channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make money with Amazon using TikTok. So if you guys are new to this channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, online businesses, other ways to make money online, as well as passive income. So today we're going to be talking about Amazon and using TikTok to make money online. So if you don't know what TikTok is, it's a very powerful platform that we're using right now. You get crazy organic traffic from there. As long as you know how to use it, you understand it, you could start getting a lot of views, a lot of eyeballs on your videos. So a lot of people use it to promote their products. Others do it to like make funny videos or whatever. So like I said, today we're going to be talking about Amazon. We're going to apply for an Amazon affiliate, get their links, put it on TikTok and promote them, start making money off that. So I don't personally do that, but this is another way that you can do it. Okay, if you want to stick to the end, I'll show you how I make money online and how you can do it. I'll talk a little bit about that. But today we're going to talk about Amazon, the pros, the cons. So let's get into it. All right, we're going to jump in here. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Google. So in Google, we're going to type in Amazon affiliates. See that right here. We're going to go, and what we're going to do is we're going to join Amazon and become an affiliate from their back program. So we're going to go to Associate Central, and up here, so I'm already in an Amazon Associates. I'm not going to sign up, but what you do is you actually sign up here, kind of read down, or you could also sign up down here. What you're going to do is you're going to put in your basic information, you know, how you're going to get paid, what websites you're going to promote, what you're going to be doing, and so forth. So once you guys get approved from that, then you could actually go into, for example, Amazon.com, and let's say we want to promote, let's just pick these AirPods here, right? So I want to promote these AirPods. So what you want to do from here is, let's see, oops, looks like I'm not signed in. So let me sign in here real quick. That's why I didn't come up. Okay, so now that I'm signed in, let's say I do want to promote these AirPods, right? Up here on the top, you're going to see Amazon Associates site stripe. This is where you're going to be getting your links. This link is what you're going to be posting on TikTok. So you can actually have a text, and image, okay? The majority of them are going to be all text. This text right here is going to be the short version. This is what you're going to actually copy. So if you copy this and you open up a new window and type it in, it's going to send the customer, whatever clicks on that link is going to send them directly to this product page. And if they buy, you get a commission from that. So let's say, we applied for Amazon Associates. We became an associate for them. We know all the rules and everything. You get your links. You're going to be promoting stuff. Okay. After you do that, then you want to go down to TikTok. And of course, if you don't have a TikTok account, go ahead and create one. It's free. And like I said, it's just crazy organic. So this is actually one of my other TikToks that I have. And what you do is you have a link right here. I have EZBioLink. This is where you can put multiple links in it. So right here, I promote high affiliate programs. I have obviously my Facebook group, YouTube videos. You could subscribe, but you can kind of see that you can put different links in here. So if you want to promote different products on Amazon, let's say you wanted those AirPods, or you wanted some crazy stuff that you found or whatever, you put it on here. Obviously it goes through TikTok. TikTok picks up the algorithm, and the people who like Amazon, who like buying stuff, you'll be able to pick them up. They'll click on your link, and then if they buy, like I said, they will send them straight to the product and you'll get a commission. So this is one way to do this. Like I said in the beginning, I personally don't do this just because you get a commission. The commission is about 10%. I promote high ticket affiliates. That's pretty much promoting bigger products, but I get a bigger commission at the end if they buy. So if you want to learn more about that, there's going to be a link down in the description where you actually go through the course and everything. They teach you how to market and so forth, and you could actually go on from there. Okay, so the pros and cons on promoting Amazon and their products. The pros on that is everybody and their mothers know Amazon. So everybody goes onto Amazon. Pretty much you can find anything on Amazon. If you want, you could probably even buy a giraffe from them. So not just playing, but everybody goes onto Amazon, and what happens is if somebody goes and clicks on your link, it doesn't matter if they buy or anything, they have a sticky cookie is what happens. So this person has a sticky cookie for 24 hours. What a sticky cookie is where they are associated to your link for 24 hours. So let's say they go and click on your link, go to Amazon, and then they exit out. They have 24 hours. If they go back into Amazon for whatever reason, buy anything else, you would actually get the commission and be get whatever they buy from there. So that's actually the good thing about them. The bad thing is Amazon does not have a high percentage rate for affiliates, meaning the most you can probably get is about 10% of whatever they buy. So if they buy a $100 product, you'll get 10% from that, which is like about $10. If you're trying to make a full-time job off that, you would have to send a lot of traffic just to reach your goals monthly. So that's actually the bad side about that. Now, what I do is I promote high affiliate programs, meaning that what I promote is Legendary Marketer. They are a marketing course that teaches you how to market, how to become an affiliate, how to do stuff online. So I promote them. So whoever wants to get into making money online, how to promote, how to become an affiliate from there, if they click on my link and I send them to the website there, I would actually get a commission from whatever they buy or if they join the group. So I'll talk a little bit more about that. But getting back to Amazon here, let me show you a little bit on what you can do. So like I said, you grab your links, make a TikTok account. So this is my actual profile here. I follow Rachel Meadows, and what she does is nothing but Amazon. She promotes and actually buys stuff from Amazon. She does reviews on it, and she has 1.2 million followers. So she puts her links up on top. She uses Linktree, it looks like. She puts her products up there. People go in there, they buy. She'll actually make money off that. So she actually does really, really awesome, really amazing stuff up here. But it's just the power of using the internet and just kind of getting millions, if not billions, of eyeballs onto your website. So that is the power of like affiliate marketing with Amazon if you want to go that route. Now what I do Legendary Marketer. So what I do is promote what is called the 15-day challenge. This is a proven method that has made a lot of people a lot of money. But what you do is you go through the 15-day challenge here in Legendary Marketer, and this 15 days is pretty much going to show you how to build a business online, how to actually do affiliate marketing, the psychological way on people think, how we actually buy through emotions and not logic, and so forth, stuff like that. So if you want more information, I do have other videos here talking about it, and I show you the back end about what you get from the 15-day challenge and what to expect and everything. But if you do want to make a full-time income off affiliate marketing, click there's a link down on the bottom. Of course, it's an affiliate link, and if you go and purchase, I do get a commission off that. I just have to put a disclaimer on that, but it'll show you and it'll walk you through the whole thing. So really awesome. Other than that, Amazon is an actual really good way if that's the way you want to go. You know, everybody has their own ways to go. I chose this way. If this Amazon could be good for you, it probably can, but the biggest thing is just to try stuff until you get the right one that you want to do. So till then, I'll catch you guys on the next one. So if you guys have any comments or anything, leave them down in the bottom and I'll get back to you guys. Take it easy.